If you have a leak under a bathroom sink and you see water coming out from the bottom of the sink, and no matter how much you have tightened this lock nut to create a seal, water keeps seeping out, then I'm going to show you a simple method you should try before you undertake much more labor-intensive steps to repair such a leak. You really have nothing to lose, because to do the repair correctly, they say you have to take apart the drain assembly and buy new replacement parts, or if you manage not to break anything in the process, then you can use the old part where you will apply Teflon tape and some putty or caulk to ensure a tight seal when the drain assembly is put back together. The simple repair method in this video starts with unscrewing the lock nut by turning it counterclockwise. And now I'm using a painter's tool like this to pull down the rubber gasket. The rubber gasket is this black part you saw at the start of this video, and this is what it looks like in new drain assemblies. So I'm trying to pull the gasket down, and doing this is the most time-consuming part of my repair method. My shortcut method takes advantage of the amazing property of silicone, and I need to apply some silicone in between the gasket and the sink. Also, this method allows you to make do with an old gasket that you would have needed to replace if you were to do the repair correctly. At this point, I'm just going to speed up the video so you're not watching me work on pulling the gasket down for too long. So this is how far I was able to pull down the gasket over the pipe threads. And now I'm trying to wipe it down to clean it a little bit. I won't be able to wipe it totally clean, but whatever I can wipe off will be better than nothing. Now I'm putting on lots of silicone above the gasket and below the gasket. And the trick here is that it has to be silicone, not caulk and silicone mixture. Just 100% silicone. I'll put a link to what I'm using in the description box below. I'm also using my fingers to spread the silicone on and push it in, making sure that the areas above and below the gasket get packed with silicone. So this is what the area looks like, and you can see how much silicone I put on this area. Now I'm screwing on this lock nut by turning it clockwise, which is making the rubber gasket move up into the sink. I'm trying to turn the nut as much as I possibly can so that the gasket is pushed into the sink as far up as possible. But I'm only hand tightening and not using a tool. Now I'm just wiping off the excess silicone. This fix worked like magic for me. The sink has been totally leak-free, and this part of the drain assembly has been completely dry for over 1 year and 3 months as of today, which is when I finally got around to editing and posting this video. And I believe this fix will last for years.